I'm gonna dance in the light. I'm gonna shout out for joy. I'm gonna live out this life like I never have before. I'm gonna take every breath as if I had no more. I'm gonna sing every song, yeah. I'm gonna open up my heart and I'm gonna dance in the light. Yeah, I'm gonna dance in the light. It was too long, I suffered inside.
Hello everyone and welcome to Just Feel Hands. In today's video, get ready for it. We are touring the Gum Wall in Seattle, Washington. Is this the most disgusting place to visit? I don't know, let's find out. Anyway, the Gum Wall in Seattle, Washington is located in the Post Alley near Pike Place Market. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you can't stand it, then don't watch it. Just go to our other videos in the channel. But if you have the stomach to stand it, then guess what? Enjoy the art, as some will call it. Like this video, comment and subscribe if this content appeals to you. And we greatly appreciate that. You have no idea. When you like it, you know what it does, right? It does give us more exposure. So this video is able to be viewed by more people, which helps out the channel too. Alright, let's get to it. The Gum Wall in Seattle, Washington is located in the Post Alley near Pike Place Market, and it began as a quirky tradition in the early 1990s. Theatergoers waiting in line for shows at the Market Theater started sticking their chewed gum on the wall and pressing coins into it. Someone thought, I got an idea. Let me just stick this gum onto the wall. And guess what? People found that very interesting, actually fun, so everybody started doing the same thing. Although theater workers initially tried to clean it off, the gum kept reappearing, and eventually it became an accepted and even celebrated feature. Guys, has any of you guys tried to clean up gum that is stuck on a wall or stuck on a surface? How fun is that? Poor guys. Over time, the Gum Wall grew into a colorful and layered tourist attraction, with visitors from around the world adding their own pieces of gum to the wall, turning it into a unique and somewhat bizarre urban art installation. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, you do have the guts if you have survived this far. Go ahead and watch the rest of the video, and I'll see you in the next video.
No, I'm not. Oh my goodness. Disgusting. Ew. Ew. It's just gum. Nothing but straight gum. Oh my goodness. Straight gum. Oh Lord. Down there? Oh my goodness, look at that.
Let's go to the fish.
Ew. Alright. Where they go? You want inside?
Thank you for watching the video. Please check out our other videos. If this content appeals to your taste, like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next video, may God keep you. Bye-bye.